Hey guys, this is GhostCat F3 model, which great for off-road, and I will get it prepared to go off-road. So usually I don't do much preparation. I just put usual slime in tires, but from my previous experience with other bicycles, I noticed, and I decided to check it out first. So first, I'm gonna, before putting slime in tires, which I'm gonna put it off the camera. I have a big gallon of slime over here. You can use basically flat out, but the difference between flat out and slime, I notice, you put less of slime in the tires versus to flat out. Some people prefer flat out, probably because they never use the slime. I'm not sure why, but I use the slime over 25 years probably. Never have any issue like that. Easy to wash it off with the water. Now back to the GhostCat F3 model. So the tires, I'm not sure if they're puncture resistant or not. I have experience with puncture resistant tires, always get puncture always when I'm going off-road. So to prevent it, I put slime in. It's pretty simple, just follow the instruction. Then next step, what I want to do, I remove the seat. The reason I remove the seat, not because I'm gonna replace it, but if you get the new seat, which from Taipei, from the website, they're selling the seat, which is a little bit longer, better color, and also nicer design. You might want to check the link in description. Also, you might want to check in the description on the website the decal they sell. This one is a vanilla, it's not just sticker on it. So basically it's a pretty thick, I feel like some surface is not just flat, it has some texture in it, so it makes not only looking good, but also it protects your battery from scratches if you're riding off-road, from rock or whatever. It's give you good protection as well, extra vinyl from three different sides and different designs they have, so you might want to pick one. So the reason I remove the seat is to check out the controller over here. So the controller, it's located right over here, just laying down. Maybe next time they're gonna use the screw over here to attach it, but it's not actually as bad as I expected, because when you're running in a city you will not notice anything wrong. But I noticed over here they're using actually some padding, which already give you kind of good for vibration, so it will basically in the city you don't need really to do anything. But if you're running off-road, I'm gonna add I'll put a small double side tape on this side, and just tape it, I guess, on top of the another protection. I hope it will hold it. Otherwise, you can also get small screw in Home Depot or Lowe's, whatever. Like, it should be very small screws. I'm not sure even what size it is. And attach it. There's already two holes. You can attach even with one bolt or whatever, like screw bolt over here. It will hold it in place. So I don't want it just when you're going off-road, when you do a lot of jumps or whatever, like ground is not flat, I don't want it to go up and down. It does have pretty much, it's very solid laying down over here. It's not like it's making any noises, but I decided to check it out before going off-road, because some other bicycle I noticed just playing on the metal and you can hear all this wobbling. So this one actually not bad. The only wobbling you might hear from the wall, which I may also attach it actually on the side. So if I attach it to the wall on this, put small padding from one side, it will kind of soften up. It does not really go up much, so it's already pretty good actually versus on some other bicycle. And that's my preparation for off-road. Also, I'm gonna take this mini pump, air pump, for reason because when you're going off-road, you reduce the air pressure in the tires. So probably gonna reduce to 10 on the front, 15 on the rear. So it will be more softer, better traction. And then I'm gonna ride it on the street. So I want to put it back there. And this one is a mini one, can pump many wheels with one charge. Easy to use. You just turn it on and it can pump up to 120 psi. You can set up how much PSI you want to pump up, and it will pump to that PSI level. So it's a very nice, it's not cheap, but it's a great tool to take with you in case if you need to put more air pressure in the tires. And that's kind of great feature of this mini pump, which very small size. And I'm gonna have all the links in description. And another tool you would probably want to buy to have at home if you're working on your own bicycles is a torque wrench tool, which actually helped me to remove the seat. You need to socket, it comes with a 10mm socket, the one you need to remove this 6 nuts from under the seat, and it's already included. So you buy it, I believe it's the sell on Amazon. I'm gonna have link to it, and it's very useful because not only it will help you to remove the seat, but also it's come with a new meter torque wrench, so you can check all your bolts and nuts if it's correctly tightened. It's good up to 24 Nm torque from 2, which is great for any bicycles you have to check all these bolts and nuts, because all these bolts and nuts have to be checked before you start to ride the bicycle for the first time. And that's how I'm gonna get prepared this GhostCat F3, which is very torquey, powerful, and should be very nice for off-road. It comes with a nice rear shock with a good travel, and also a nice fork, which 100mm travel, which is also great for off-road. So it's a kind of off-road machine, which is great, but again, I like to get a little bit prepared before going there. That's why I'm doing all this. And again, if you like this video, hit subscribe, like it, check the description for any tools you need, and also follow for the next video when I'm gonna ride off-road. See you later. Bye.